Alright guys, this is Misha coming to you from Misha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic. Your name is Rufus?
Rufus.
From the States?
From the United States.
From the United States of America. He just had a jerk chicken. How was the jerk chicken?
Oh, that was good, man.
Yeah, man. Okay.
Everything
and this,
good,
and
man.
this is brother.
The jerk chicken here in the Dominican Republic.
At Misha's.
At Misha's. It's better than the Jamaican jerk chicken in Jamaica.
You hear what he say? He say the jerk chicken.
Without a reasonable doubt.
He said without a reasonable doubt, the jerk chicken here is better than what he tastes in Jamaica. He said that. And his boy had the curry, and then he had a jerk too.
I had his curry and jerk.
And he had a jerk. So they're telling you way off the chart, it's better than what they had in my hometown in Jamaica. So that's real talk right there, guys.
Right.
So watch now. They say they're coming back. I know he's coming back. I know they're coming back.
We'll be back tomorrow.
All right. So you said that's the Boom Shaka Talk jerk, right?
That's right.
One love, my brother. Thank you for your support, and I hope to see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
And these are my lovely workers. Your name is tu nombre?
Jerry.
Jerry.
My name is Jerry.
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 Y Linda.
Bielka.
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 Bielka. They work with me here. Newbies. Okay, guys. Misha Reggae Lounge out.
Okay.